are the Node.js is that the whoever created, all of the library are created by somebody. So Newman library we are using to run the Postman in Windows, in Mac, in Linux, in the Jenkins, in the other CLI, anywhere. CLI means command line interface. So you can run the Postman script on the CLI, command line interface. You need the Newman. That's the reason I said it. So to design your environment, remember the cloud of people, they install Node.js over and over, and they install the NPM. Exactly, you're doing the same thing. So you install Node.js on your computer, and then you download that, you install the NPM, means Newman library, and now you can run your Postman script. So let's do that. So he has already the Newman, the Node.js. Go to the command line to see that. So you see the node v, so you see the version, and then now you can see the Newman v. So dependency has a version as well. You see this? So you need to install both, and we covered in the workshop already. Now you can actually run your Postman script. How to do this? Let's check it out. Do not say we have to install now because you have done it already. Go back to it. No.
Okay, so in this directory I have the like collection and the environment. So simply I can copy this and go to the command prompt and simply just cd control v enter. Okay, so okay, I think it will
Nope,
not allow me to.
cd space black space backslash. That's fine. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, now
Yeah,
you get it.
actually I have to go back. Yeah, now here it is. Okay, so now I'm inside this directory. So if I dir, so here I have like the JSON collection and the environment JSON. Okay, so simply what I can do, I can simply write down the command newman run quotation. The first of all call the collection. So the collection name is the category dot postman. So just simply then press tab. Okay, then space dash e for environment, then again quotation, then staging, then tab. Okay, so now after this press enter. So here we'll see.
So Newman has so many other like the parameter you can pass, and then it will be running itself. So it ran on the that's called the CLI. Command line interface means something you're running from the command is called the CLI. So it's not like the foreign language. It's simple. Instead of running from the mouse, you're running on the keyboard. Okay.
Okay, so it's run successfully. Now let's go to the first of all we are going to push this collection
To the
into the
GitHub.
git. Yeah, into the GitHub.
So
So
now let's do
simply
the same thing like what we did in the Git. So nothing. Think about nothing is foreign language. Should be all simply good. GitHub or
okay,
the Git, our Git. Go to our
okay.
Git. Whoever still has the ID issues, please let me know. We have some issues, but still I know how to fix it now. I fixed for Jannat and Imran. Yeah. Your issue is still there? Okay. You're fixing them, okay?
So I'm going to create a new project here. Create blank project, give the project name ecom APIs
Category
automation.
automation. Category, please.
Category automation.
See this, so you can have many
Internal.
automation. Okay, not one,
Then
many. Feature specific automation is important.
create project. Okay. Now simply go to the command prompt So here I am already inside this directory. So I can simply create the init file, I mean init directory, git init. So it's already initialized. See, initialize the git directory dot git directory. Let me clear this. Okay. Now git add space dot
everything
git commit uh
is add.
dash m, then push the collection and environment. Okay. Now I can git remote add origin. So what is this? This one. Then paste here. Okay. Then I can create a git branch main, then git checkout main. So just switched to the main
We
branch.
should all of this already. We have done many,
Git
many
push
times.
dash u origin main. Okay.
Nice. Everything is done.
Now reload here.
Refresh it.
Okay. So here it is.
Amazing,
Okay.
huh?
So now
What flawless.
what we will do, we will, like, here we have this collection and environment into the GitLab. So we can simply run these collections from the Jenkins. Okay, so what we will do, we will just log into the Jenkins. So this is my Jenkins. So we'll share the I think we already shared the credentials of the Jenkins. So you can just simply log into the Jenkins, then click on the new item. Just, I mean, see, create a new project. Okay, I think I have to, yes. Okay. So now give the name ecom category automation
Continue
22.
run.
Then click on the freestyle project. Okay.
If you have a settings already, you can simply select the copy from. So then you'll get all the settings from there.
Okay. So here we can also, like, here we already GitLab connection git.ts5.us. You can see already is there. Then you just simply select git and give the repository URL. So this is the URL. Copy this, then here paste it here. Okay, then also we have to add the credential. So to add the credential, we have to add this credential here. Though I have already added this credential, but if you want to add the credential, what you have to do, you have to first of all go to the git.ts4.us, then select here quick profile. Sorry, not the profile. Where is the settings?
You have to go
uh
to the
Edit
user.
profile. Yeah, so edit
Okay.
profile, then go to the access tokens. Okay, then scroll down. So not, you can just simply give a token name here. Let's say Jenkins token, something like this. Then you can give the expiration date of this token. Okay, then you can give the access permission up to this token. You can just API read user, read repository. It's just if you give the read repository, it enough. Okay, then just also let me give all these, then create personal access token. So here
You
you
can
will get
understand
the,
what does it mean when you want one application, when you want to give when you want two application to communicate with each other. In this case, you do not pass the, you can pass the username and password, you do not. That's the when you actually create the token. And the token represent whatever permission you are giving. Exactly like Google, this is the same thing. Very similar thing. So we are giving this this application access permission to the Jenkins so that Jenkins can communicate with this application to run the collection, whatever we are giving here. That's the reason we are creating a token, and we can give expiration date as well. So after this, it will not work. Okay, so we did it.
Okay. So yeah, this is the token. Simply you can copy this token. Okay, then go to the Jenkins and go to the add Jenkins. Then give the username of your GitLab account. So this is the username of mine. Here you can just click here and you'll be able to see. Then give the username. Okay, and give the password. I mean that token. Just paste it. Okay, then click on the add. So you will be able to add this token. So I have already added. So I just simply click here and I can just select here. Okay, the error is gone. Okay, so now here.
Nobody can see his password now because everybody is using the Jenkins, but it does not mean you can see my password. You are seeing my token, and I can generate the token anytime. Good. So multiple people using, but nobody is able to hack anybody's thing. Okay.
Then here the specify the branch. So our branch is the main. Okay.
Yep.
Then scroll down and here we have the build periodically. So the build periodically we can run the cron job like after every 5 minutes or half an hour or 1 hour we can just schedule it and it will run automatically. And if you want to schedule, just click on the schedule. You'll be able to see how you can schedule. This is the basically we can write like h
So
slash.
select the first one, H15. Then we are just giving every 1 minute so you guys can see it for now. Select it. Okay. Continue. You're good. 1 minute. Okay, that's good. But normally you do not run every 1 minute. That's like too much.
Then also from here, just from the build environment, mark the provide node and npm because this is the dependency we need to
Remember, we
uh,
talked about the because it's
run this
node.
collection. Yeah. Then in the build steps, just select execute shell.
Because remember CLI, so everything we do the CLI is called the execute shell
Then
because
write down here the same command newman run double quotation dash e double quotation. So in the
it's
f
like the same
this.
command we did in the Windows, right?
Okay. So go to that repository to get the name of the collection. Just simply this one.
Yep.
Okay, and then get the collection name. This is the collection, so I can simply copy from here, go here, paste here inside this. Okay,
We are not
inside this
selecting the
newman
full
run.
path. It's already integrated. Integration is done.
Okay, then here go back, get the staging one also. Just simply copy this and paste it here also. Okay, so now apply. And also here we can like if it is post build action, like after
You can
executing,
see
what
the
it will do.
notification and everything else.
You can also here you set the email notification.
This kind of setup is settings by your your DevOps engineer. They
Yeah,
own the Jenkins. You do not own it. System engineer own it. You just get the access. You set up everything. If anything wrong, you talk to them. You do not own Jenkins. You do not set up Jenkins. You are not Jenkins guru. So understand that if anything happen, you communicate with them. Now build now. So we set up the build every minute. So let's look at it every minute. It will be built. Now you guys can ask questions. It's fine. Uh-huh. Yeah. Good. Yeah, good. No, no, it's I did it. I mean, you do your part. Everybody does their own. Exactly. Okay, I know you did the. Now you have the user story. You have to tell me what is this? What is this API? You have to tell everything. Okay, this is the endpoint. This is the actually the data type. What it is stored. That way I said it. You should be able to say the same way. Then I know you know how the things work. So in Jenkins, you can enable the auto refresh, or you can actually it will be refreshing itself, or you just hit the F5. Yeah, because we set up the every 1 minute. Can you do the refresh after 1 minute.